Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will show you one of the many ways how to make a spiral out of balloons for modeling. I pre-inflate the balloons to eliminate the defect and stretch the walls of the balloon. This method differs from the previous two only in that you will inflate the balloon with the help of a partner. I put a green modeling balloon size 160 in a transparent modeling balloon size 160. I made a knot at the end of the balloon in such a way as to capture both balloons. I spin the balloon around the handle of the hand pump. Look, I'm stretching out a transparent balloon when I twist it around the pump. I don't pull out the green balloon to increase the tension inside. You can call your assistant to pump a transparent balloon, and in the meantime, you will hold the pump handle tightly. When inflating, hold both ends of the balloon firmly. Twist both balloons, make a knot and cut off the excess part. The spiral is ready. Thank you for watching us.